I think she's peeing her pants.
Are you peeing your pants yet?
That's a yes.
If you see that, I might. Okay, hold on. Ready?
No. I won't be in this video.
It's not working good. Don't pee your pants, Mom. Keep your legs crossed.
Sometimes even that doesn't stop it.
Okay. I can't. Okay, you guys bounce me. Put her on, Mom, sit down cross-legged. Okay, wait.
Will you pull that chair to you?
No, if I can. Bounce.
Thank you.
Look, I'm just a walker. You okay? Don't go too hard, because my back might not like me. I don't need a broken back like that. Okay. Let's go. Seriously, we won't be getting her home. Yeah, that's good. Let's go a little closer. Oh. Man, I'm ready. Wow, just don't crash on me. Go, Ken, you're not even jumping. I'm bouncing. Go ahead, jump. I quit you. Okay, hold on.
Say hi, Trina.
Hi!
Say hi, Nene.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Abby, stop it. I'm flicking the grass.
Harry!